Okay, guys, we made it to our hotel room in Binondo. We're here to check out. Yeah, we're here to check out Chinatown. I got my two Chinese girls right here. I got Mei Lin and Sifu over here. Are you guys excited? Oh, you're ready to go down. She's ready to go down. Whoa. Okay. So this is inside the Red Planet here. And
Come on,
then,
let me show you.
And then this is.
What kind of
Oh yeah, she's relaxing. Hi. Hi, Fifi.
What's up, Daddy?
I wonder what Mom's doing. She's in her office right there. Hey. It's supposed to be here. Yeah, there's a Thai green milk tea, and a Hong Kong milk tea. Let me see what you got. Open it up. Basically, that's the best show pal right there, guys. And this is good. Good. This is it right here. Okay, go ahead. Let's see what that says. Okay. Check it out. Okay, fresh looking. Let's try it. Put some of that sauce on there. I think that's good. So you can see inside it. Yeah. Wow, looks good. Go ahead and try it out. Okay. Try a little piece. Whoa. Save some for me now. Good?
Yeah.
You want it? Hi, baby.
You want it? You want Wala ko sanay binanggan. Mahina pa naman ang ano ko sa kuya. Mom.
Ay, hindi naman ako ganun kasi.
Lian! Lian! Ay, gusto ba?
Good job, baby. Okay, got it.
Yes!
50 tickets. Keep on coming.
Yep, 50,000 pesos.
50 tickets?
150.
150? Good job, guys.
Here you go, baby. You got
Good job,
four.
baby. Look at those shoes. Man, this girl's serious. This girl is serious here. She forgot she had a baby. Fifi, you okay? Okay, Fifi. Get them tickets. Get them tickets. Go, go, go. Get them tickets. Good job. Yay! Good job, baby. Hey, man, you're competitive, huh? Ooh, look at these tickets.
Hey, you want 10
10 tickets. Good job, baby. Time for ticket redemption. Pipa.
Or if you want to watch more of my fun videos for kids, just search for my name. Alright, until next time.
Blippi. You tired? Are you tired? Boom.
Council from Manila Triangle Barangay Organization to please join our honorable mayor.
This is where we're at right here, guys. Which one is this one?
Deep fried. Spicy.
Okay, that's the pork, right?
Yes.
And that's the beef right here.
I like that too.
Oh, that's it.
Sabaw.
I want to sabaw, Daddy.
Okay. Mommy trying to get the rest of her steps in for tonight.
300 bucks.
All right, baby, you say it. Say thanks.
Thank you for watching that Chinatown video.
That's right. Good morning, my girls. It's the next day. It's a new day. And today, huh? Oh, yeah. Do you guys know where we're going today, Pipa? You know where we're going today?
Oh,
Where are we going?
going to Bataan.
Bataan. We will see you guys there. Bye-bye.